Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'll be telling you how to download a virtual machine which is made intentionally vulnerable, and it is known as Metasploitable. For that, you need to go to this particular web page. I'll be providing you the link in the description below, and I'll be telling you how to install it in the virtual box as well. So go on to this web page and click on this download latest version button. It will download a latest version of Metasploitable for you. Since I already have this file, I won't be downloading it again. Now go to your downloaded folder, and then this is the downloaded folder. This is the downloaded file, as you can see here, metasploitable-linux-2.0.0.zip. Extract it and you will find a files folder something like this. Double click on it, and then out of all these files, the only file we are interested in is this particular file known as .vmdk. Remember the name, metasploitable.vmdk, and remember the path as well. Now open up your virtual box, click on tools, because if you don't click on tools you won't get this particular options right over here. So click on tools and then go to new, type in any name you want. Since it is we are gonna install Metasploitable2, so make sure you type Metasploitable2 for easy identification. But I already have a virtual machine named Metasploitable2 right over here, so I won't be typing the name Metasploitable2. I'll be typing one machine would be good, and then type is Linux, version is Debian 64-bit. Next, allocate RAM of around 2 GB, that would be 2048 MB. Next, now the hard disk comes. Remember the .vmdk file we downloaded, so click on use an existing virtual hard disk, click on this folder type button, press on add, then from there go to the vmdk file you downloaded, metasploitable.vmdk. This is the vmdk file I asked you to remember the path for. Then click on open and then choose and then create. This will create your Metasploitable2 vulnerable machine and you are ready to go. Press on start and it will start up your Metasploitable2 Linux. So here we are in the login page. So the username should be msfadmin. So type in msfadmin, hit enter, and the password is msfadmin as well. So I'll type msfadmin as well and hit enter. Oops, I typed the wrong password. I'll try it again. msfadmin, and hit enter. So now we are in the this virtual machine. We are logged onto it perfectly. Now you can list the files inside it. Go to the root folder and then list the files there. It just basically works like a Linux.